Hey and welcome everybody, and in today's video we will see how we can download OpenCode. So let's move on to their website. This is their website we have, and we need to run a command in order to install it. Just as npm install OpenCode, we need npm, so that is why we need to install node. And the node, to install the node, what we need to do is to just select our architecture and our OS and just click on the button which is below the standard binary button. It's a simple next process, nothing to be worried about. And let's come back here. After installation, I have already installed it, so that's why I didn't do it. Type sudo and then just paste that command that I just copied, and there we go. 2 packages are installed. Perfect. Okay, if I do OpenCode now, there we go. We have the interface of the OpenCode, and that is what we wanted. So now let's start to see the actual power of OpenCode. So to see the actual power of OpenCode, I have created 2 folders. In one, we have folder 1 and we have folder 2. Inside folder 1, I have my one CSV file, and the folder 2 is actually empty. I will show you those in a while. Let's just say OpenCode. There we go. I came to the OpenCode. I want to, yes, I want you to create a script inside my folder 2, which is an empty folder, which is inside my folder, which is called Open Test, which is on the desktop. So let me just type it out, which is inside my desktop. Okay. That's it. But first, you should copy the CSV file which is in the folder 1. Yes, copy the file from the folder 1, which is eventually the open test folder which I had on the desktop. I showed you the 2 folders. I will also show you in a while the CSV and store back. So basically what I'm trying to do is to just give him a command that will read or copy my CSV from another folder into another folder and run a script to analyze that CSV file and to store its let's say to store its results in a folder 1 in which the file already exists. So I'm not going to touch any folder myself. So I just give it the command. There we go. Let it work. Let's go down here. You can see I have folder 1. Inside that, I just have a dataset.csv. My folder 2 is empty. Now my command is actually running, and let's see how it turns out to be. Okay, look, it say folder 2 exists. It's empty. Now it's just taking out the columns of my CSV, years experience. Okay, it typing out the code. Great job. It imported pandas also, docx also. Okay, checking for the libraries if someone need to install. There we go. Something needs to install. LXML needs to installation. So that is why it is installing it. So let's just wait until it get installed. It's taking a while because of my internet, hopefully. Okay. Come on. Okay, it's installed now. All right. It's running the commands. Yes, copied. Okay, perfect. The document is created. The script has been created into folder 1. Now it executes successfully. It's copied to CSV to folder 2. Okay, perform basic analysis. We never told it what analysis you have to perform, so it will inform just what a wanted. Okay, so there we go. You can see the analyze.py, and there should be a file which contains, maybe reopen it will solve the problem. Yes, my command is executed, so it must be a file in the folder 1 that has the output. Okay, so yeah, let's go into the folder 1. Maybe refresh button will do. Yes, refresh. Just press F5 and it refreshes, analyze stock. And look at this. Boom. Even it copied my file from one directory into other, performed the analysis, stored the analysis on the place that I wanted to. This is the power of OpenCode. You can access one part of the code from one folder to the other corner of your computer to the any other folder and just have to tell him what to do and it will do for you. So goodbye, take care, and do this more and more often so you can get it. Bye.